Self-improvement means working on yourself to become better. It is about growing, learning new things, and improving your skills, habits, and mindset. Everyone can practice self-improvement no matter where they are in life. Self-improvement is important because it helps you reach your goals. When you improve yourself, you can handle challenges better. You become more confident and successful in different areas like work, relationships, and health. There are many ways to improve yourself. One way is by learning new skills. This could be reading books, taking courses, or practicing something every day. The more you learn, the more you grow. Another important part of self-improvement is building good habits. Habits are things you do regularly without thinking. For example, waking up early, exercising, or eating healthy. Good habits make your life better step by step. Self-improvement also means changing your mindset. A positive mindset helps you stay motivated and strong even when things are difficult. It teaches you to focus on solutions instead of problems. Setting clear goals is a key part of self-improvement. When you have goals, you know what you want to achieve. Goals give you direction and purpose. It is important to make small, achievable goals first. This helps you build confidence and keep moving forward. Sometimes self-improvement means facing your fears and stepping out of your comfort zone. Growth happens when you try new things and learn from mistakes. Don't be afraid to fail. Failure is a chance to learn and become stronger. Self-improvement is a continuous journey. There is no final destination. Every day is an opportunity to learn and become a better version of yourself. It takes time, patience, and effort, but the results are worth it. To start self-improving, you can begin by choosing one small habit to change or one new skill to learn. Make a plan and stick to it. Celebrate your progress no matter how small. Remember, self-improvement is personal. It is about becoming your best self, not trying to be like someone else. Focus on what makes you happy and fulfilled. In summary, self-improvement is all about growing in different parts of your life. It is learning, building good habits, changing your mindset, setting goals, and facing challenges. Anyone can improve themselves with the right attitude and effort. Start today. Take one small step toward becoming better. Your future self will thank you.